Hello, my name is Peter Summers. I'm a travel nurse recruiter for Atlas MedStaff. Through some of these videos, I've shown you the process of making maple syrup, and I guess a reasonable question could be asked, like, what's the point of maple syrup making and travel nurse recruiting, and how are those two even connected? I think the best answer I would have, well, one, everybody needs something good and fun to do in your free time. And if you're a travel nurse, you're looking for something to do with different places you're going, there's different sites you're seeing. But I think the reality, making maple syrup and becoming a travel nurse, it's very similar. It's all a process. So maple syrup making, the process is very simple. Find a maple tree, drill a hole, collect the sap, boil the sap until it's syrup, filter the syrup, and then bottle it. If you want to become a travel nurse, you need to find first, the very first step is find an agency that shares your values. At the agency, you need a recruiter. Find a recruiter. Go on the pages, the bio pages, read about all the different recruiters. What are they interested in? What are the things that they like? There are so many great recruiters out there. Find the recruiter that's right for you. Then you get a profile. Your profile is simply your resume, a skills checklist, a couple of reference forms, and your nurse's certification. You put that together, then you start talking about what are the jobs? What do you want to do? Why do you want to become a travel nurse? What's important to you? Are there locations you want to go to? Are there hospitals you want to work at? If you go to a place because you want to have a good time, you want to see new stuff, you will always be satisfied with your decision in travel nursing. There's always going to be contracts that pay more. So if you're always looking for the highest paying contract, you're setting yourself up for like, oh, I'm disappointed because like, what if I would have waited? I mean, the travel nurse contracts are sort of like the stock market. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down. But if you go to a place you want to be at, you're going to win. So find locations that you think would be enjoyable to go to. You want to accept the first offer that comes in. That's good for the company, that's good for you, because it makes it easier for us to get you interviews. And then it's about becoming compliant. You have to get all of your health history in, you have to take some exams, you have to maybe do some onboarding modules, and then you can decide what's the best way for you to do it. Do you want to be an RV traveler? Do you want to stay Airbnb, furnished finder, or those kind of things? Maybe you have a friend that you're going with. You have pets. You figure out what your housing situation is going to be, and then go there and become a travel nurse with an open mind. The more flexible you are, the easier the travel nursing assignment is going to be. You just go in, help patients, help your colleagues, and do a great job. The summary is, making maple syrup, very simple, follow the process. Become a travel nurse, also simple, follow the process. You'll be successful, you'll have a great time, and you'll be able to do extraordinary things. I'm Peter Summers, travel nurse recruiter for Atlas MedStaff.